Hello guys, it's Chupug Mason, and today we're going to be playing some Burping Sim. And guess what, guys? Guess what?
To 5 Rebirth. And shout out to Legend and Chaos Reach.
Yeah, shout out to...
Go subscribe to Chaos Reach.
Yeah, he is a great guy. He commented on one of our videos. Thank you so much.
And is a subscriber.
Yeah.
Love the support from him.
Love the support from all you guys, too.
Uh-huh.
So, Mason has changed his character to... yeah. I really don't know how to explain it.
I changed it to Big Mama, guys, okay? I'll expose it. I'm just imagining what your Roblox avatar would look like if it was changed to Big Mama.
Ginormous.
Bro, it would be fatter than the avatar that we have, or that fat avatar.
Oh, yeah, the Chungus avatar.
Those cute avatars.
Wait, where are you?
The real question... Here, meet me at the restaurant, okay?
Okay.
Bro, someone just said this game is boring.
Bro, it's not boring. Hey, let me tell you what's boring. Him. He's boring.
Bro, that avatar is boring baking here. Oh my gosh, Sam, you really surprised me there.
Is that you? Did you get your Rebirth?
Yep.
You did! Let's go!
Sam.
I'm pretty big. Hey, hop on my guinea pig, bro.
Bro, Sam, I want the Lola attitude so bad.
Is it off sale or something?
Yeah.
I hate when stuff are off sale because I really wanted that Bloxy Awards like golden suit, but it said it was off sale, which sucked.
Oh, it'd be cool if we could get the Bloxy Awards.
Bro, we actually might if we just make a really good game.
Like, we just make a video how to... Have you seen this guy? He, like, does the top 5 of everything. It's just and his profile picture is a picture of a cat. He just said, that's what it sounds like. And he shows all the top 5 gritties. That was really funny.
I didn't see that. Oh, yeah, I know what you're talking about. Like, top 5.
Yeah, he's really funny.
Top 5 floppas. It was pretty funny because when the floppa, it meowed, it was just of some fart noise.
Yeah, it was just like, it wasn't even a floppa meow. It wasn't even a cat meow.
Yeah, it was like a monkey fart.
What the, Sam, it's doing that glitch.
It is.
Can we join a different server?
Yeah.
Baby girl.
Okay, guys, we're joining a new server.
Do you have over 100 Robux?
No.
Okay, never mind.
Why? Do you want like a private server?
Oh yeah, the pirate server is literally 100 Robux.
Mason, when I get my Robux, I will buy.
You get your Robux every day.
No, I don't. Why do people say that?
Because it seems like you do. Okay, Sam, join me. This is a good server.
Even my parents said that.
My parents say that to me. Well, I do spend a lot of money on Roblox. For some of these videos, I do it.
Yeah, he does it for the videos.
Sam freaking spends his own money for Roblox to make t-shirts, so go cop it.
Yeah, if you don't cop it, we will track you down. We will okay, too far.
Okay, Sam, too far.
Okay, sorry about that. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Sam, I'm gonna go really quick. I'm gonna go buy your merch actually, because I have enough Robux. I have 5 Robux still.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, I'm buying it.
I'm gonna buy the drip too, actually.
And someone left it, which I'm really Someone left our group. I'm really sad about that, but it's okay.
Yeah, I know who left our
Sam,
group.
you have 17 members still.
Yeah, but I know who left our group.
Bro, someone's name's not right. Bro, Giga Chad is life. Giga Chad.
Oh my god, bro, that guy likes Giga Chad so much.
Bro, there's someone says, I shall sub.
Yeah, that guy, I mean, did he sub? I mean, we hit 35 subscribers, so he probably did. He probably did!
Bro,
Sorry,
Sam,
guys.
I already know what I'm gonna buy. I'm buying the burping sim one.
Oh, the burping sim one? Oh, that's the best one.
Sam. Here. I'm joining.
Okay.
And it's also, hold on, don't join the server. It's doing that glitch week.
Okay, guys, my brother's drumming right now, so just ignore that, okay?
After this video, we'll tell him to shut up so that he'll stop.
Yeah, okay.
And we always do.
Okay, I'm gonna put that one on too because I like it. It's pretty good. Okay.
Sam, here, can you...
I'm joining. If you guys like our characters, give a like on this video.
Or I will track you down.
Subscribe.
Sam, you want to see the drip?
I'm ready to see that reap.
Where are you? Sam, look at it.
Bro, I can't even see you though. I can't even see you. Where are you?
Right in front of you.
Oh, sorry, you're just so small.
It's friends, go! Please don't kill me. It's... Bro, get away.
Get out of here.
No. He's gonna come.
I'm gonna kill
Sam, you
this.
know what? I'm facing him like a man. And guys, if I sound really stuffy, I am. Because
Yeah.
I have allergies, I think.
You know, it is kind of... It's super hot. I mean...
I don't... Sam, 2 weeks and we're going back to freaking school.
What? That's so dumb.
The summer goes by so fast.
Yeah, bro. This summer felt like 2 seconds. I mean, didn't it?
Bro, Sam, I literally had to freaking stay at my grandparents' house the whole time, though.
Hey, at least we called and we made these great videos.
Yeah, that is true. Spitfire fan? Hey, Spitfire fan.
Okay, guys.
Oh, Sam, he just killed me!
Hey! Get out of here!
Sam, I shall get better than him.
I'm gonna kill him for you.
Sam, do you think I can get better than him?
Yes, 100%. Bro, you're
I
already...
get 9 each time, Sam, so I think I'm good. Yeah, I'll kill him.
Aren't you better than him already?
No, I'm actually... Oh, he left.
Oh.
He's scared, bro.
He's scared.
And he's also trash. He's dog water.
Okay, guys, we haven't been uploading the, 3 days because I was in St. Louis.
He watched the St. Louis Cardinals.
Yeah, okay, guys, so I live in, yeah.
He lives in California in 69. I'm kidding.
I wish. Guys, actually, just want to break it. Me and Mason actually live in, St. Louis! Right, Mason?
And Missouri. Mostly Missouri, Sam.
Yeah, guys, I
Sam,
think...
the sad thing is I've freaking never been in Missouri. I mean, in St. Louis.
Well, I mean, aren't you in St. Louis right now?
No, I'm in Missouri. You're in St. Louis still.
Oh, yeah. Wait. You realize...
Okay, guys, we're just lying about that whole thing.
Yeah.
We didn't want to get too far with it. I remember when we used to lie we lived in California.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, remember that fake channel that it wasn't even a channel and we would just start making videos on it?
Okay, guys, I just want to tell you this story. So, in, 2020, it was super boring, so I just called Mason, and I said, guys, I have a channel called Video Game News. And Video Game News is actually a channel.
And he also, like, he lied about, like, hello neighbor, but we don't talk about that anymore. Screw this kid, he's adopted, he's no.
Why did he kill us, bro?
I mean, what did we do? Tell us, what the heck did we do to you? Sam, let's just come to the restaurant and talk. Here he is again!
Bro, you want to know something, Mason? Someone
What?
said the F word to me.
Who?
They were like, F the Cardinals.
You just come up to them, you just spawn 3 Will Smiths.
I
Keep the Cardinals' name out your...
Bro, I can't believe he actually said the F word.
Did your parents just be like, look at this dude, wait
Bro,
till you see the owner.
I was downstairs just looking at my Cars the movie toys.
Sorry, I had to say that.
I'm gonna sing a song for y'all, you guys.
Can I put my balls? Okay. And if you guys are poor bacon, try to join us. We're always going to be in Burping, Sam, because we love it.
Yeah, and if you guys are fans, we might. I don't know.
Sam could probably buy a private server for us.
Yeah, invite all of you guys, okay?
Well, just the 34.
Yeah. If we don't have enough people, I'll just make another one, okay? And that'll be 200 Robux. Okay, that's cool.
You mean if we have enough people?
If we run out of people, like too much people. 35 subscribers, guys. That is so cool.
35?
Yeah, someone subscribed. I don't know who.
No, 2 people actually, right, Sam?
No,
I'm kidding.
we were
That
on
was our facts channel, right?
our facts channel. Yeah, but that was our 34th subscriber, though. Yeah, I don't know who
I can't believe
subbed.
we're getting this high on YouTube.
This is like a dream come true.
I don't care if we don't get our money. I just care how much subs we have. It's crazy.
I care about making the videos for you guys. Like, I mean, it's, you know, sometimes you get super bored.
And guys, we won't be uploading as much because school's gonna come up.
I'm so sorry, guys, and we're not in the same class.
Life sucks. But we can still call.
Yeah.
But we'll still see each other at recess because we have our own little group. Everyone wants to join it at school too.
They do. Guys, we probably might even have recess because it's so hot.
Yeah, I don't like recess when Coach Graham just comes in. Hey, Tim, hear this one. This is gonna be fun. Did you hear that one?
Ew, bro.
I put it right against the screen.
Okay, can we stop talking about that, please?
Yeah, well, I think we're gonna end the video right there, right?
Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. I hope you enjoy your day, and we'll see ya. And by the way, subscribe. Bye.